Hi, my name's Letitia Green. I'm a visual artist and designer based in Melbourne, and I'm also studying part-time at the Photography Studies College. I've been an working artist and designer for over 15 years. I run my multidisciplinary studio from home in Bayside. I've got a 7-year-old daughter who I've been homeschooling for 6 to 7 months, and 2 whippets, and a husband. So last year I decided to upskill, start the part-time course, which meant I could keep on working in my home studio and continue on learning, discovering my camera, learning camera craft, and adding value to all that I offer within my within my artistic capabilities. I've loved using my camera because to me photography matters. It's my new visual language. It's given me that fulfillment, that connection to people, through the portraiture, through storytelling, through family documentary photography. I've absolutely loved the course. I think that the benefits of being in this course are that we can still do it through Zoom while we're in lockdown, but then we'll be able to go into the studios when we can, and we can still keep our connection up with our teachers, who are all from amazing photographic professional backgrounds and highly inspirational, and then the people in our group. So I've really enjoyed connecting with like-minded people. So in my part-time course at the moment, there are photographers who've been working in the industry who've decided to come back and restudy. And then there's people like me who are upskilling as an artist to photographer, or just want to get better at their hobby. And people who are coming from a whole range of varied backgrounds. In the future, I'd like to be working on fashion editorial portraiture, on beautiful still lifes, on landscapes, on so many different things. I think that's the one thing with me, is there is not one thing. There are many different things I love within the creative world, and this is just the beginning of learning how to use my camera technically and upskilling in this way. It's the best decision I've made, and Photography Studies College is an exceptional